Good morning, students. Our next topic is the a closed pipe. Closed pipe. In the previous class, we are learning about the open pipe. In this section, we have discussed about the closed pipe. This is also important for the IPE 8 marks because of the weightage of the waves in the IPE is 8 marks. So our next question is closed pipe. See, whatever the pipe is, shape is cylindrical. This type, and one of end is closed. One of end is closed. This is called a closed pipe. This is a closed pipe, and another end is open. At the open side, the wave is sent to the this cylindrical pipe, then wave is propagate, and at the end of this the wave is reflected and form the stationary wave. This stationary wave, we will send sound wave. That's why in the cylindrical or closed pipe or open pipe, the wave would the stationary wave is a longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves. In the closed pipe or open pipe, formed a stationary wave. This stationary wave belongs to a longitudinal wave. Okay. First, you take case 1. You already know, at the boundary the wave is reflected. The wave, reflected wave and instant and reflected waves traveling with the same frequency, velocity and phase. Whenever these three conditions are same, then it form the stationary wave. Otherwise, it cannot form the stationary wave. Which is that one is a same phase, same velocity, same frequency. This is the must and should for the form of the stationary wave. In the case 1, take a first mode. Only first mode. Like it. You already know. At the open side, form a antinode. At the boundary, form a node. The distance between the antinode and node is lambda by 4. Please remember it. Node and node are antinode and antinode. The distance between the orderly of node and antinode. It is a must and should order. The wavelength is lambda by 2, and node and antinode are means orderly an and n. The wavelength is lambda by 4, and crest and throats is between distance is lambda. This is the lambda by 2, this is the lambda by 4. These are the important points. Lambda by 2 and lambda by 4. Same thing, rarefaction and tensor medium also lambda. But in the stationary wave is the same of it lambda by 2, otherwise is the lambda by 4. Is the mode taken first mode. In this case, only have one node and one antinode. One node and one antinode. The distance is wavelength is lambda by 4. L equal to lambda by 4. L equal to lambda by 4. So lambda equal to 4L. Lambda equal to 4L. But frequency F equal to V velocity by lambda, velocity by lambda. So this is V by 4L is the 4L because of lambda equal to 4L. This is the first primary or fundamental frequency in the closed pipe on stationary wave. Closed pipe in the or on the stationary wave, the primary or fundamental frequency F equal to V by 4L. And take a second case. In this case, taken as two modes. Two modes. In this case, this is the node, antinode and antinode. So two antinodes and two nodes. In this situation, only one node and one antinode. In this case, two. This one is node and a node. So two node, antinode and antinode. So antinodes. The wavelength lambda equal to up to this one is lambda by 2 and this one is lambda by 4. So lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4 equal to, in generally take as 8, 4 lambda plus 2 lambda or 6 lambda by 8. So 3 lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4. So L equal to 3 lambda by 4 and lambda equal to 4L by 3. Lambda equal to 4L by 3. In the first case 4L. In this case 4L by 3. So frequency F2 equal to V by lambda. So this is case 3 V by 4L, but V by 4L we will take as F1. So F2 equal to 3F1. F2 equal to 3F1. See, in the closed open pipe, node and antinode are odd and even. In the closed pipe, these are the only even. First case same, they are also same, but in the open pipe and node is less than one of the antinode. That is the, please remember, and wavelength this much, and so that finally give conclusion what this means. F1 is to F2 is to F3 equal to like 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 in the closed pipe. This one is the closed pipe. But in the open pipe, F1 and F2, F3 equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. This is for open pipe. And above one is closed pipe. This is the important. And this one is the secondary. This one is the secondary frequency or first overtone. In this case, see, this is the 3. It means base 3. And in this case, the frequency formed is 1, 3, 5. Like it means odd numbers. So this is the another important question for the IPE of March 8. So please note down and practice it for the IPE examination and other competitive examination. We will ask like that question, and at the same time what is the node and antinodes, what is the wavelength, Please remember what is the wavelength between antinode and antinode and node and antinode. Like such type of questions asked in the previous competitive examinations. Please observe it and see in the figure how they conclude. This wave is like transverse, but it's not transverse because of the in the we send it to the closed pipe is a sound wave. Sound wave always is a longitudinal wave. Sound wave always is the longitudinal wave. That is point is remember it. This is the this class, and the next class we will discuss about the beats.